guys, I'm gonna do a YouTube video. To have a really cool express it's weird, just literally just when we voted, and my time lapse is 2,000 feet. So this is my aircraft right now. It's run by the military. We've lost our engines. What's the idea? What's that in there? Okay, it just looks like that we've just lost both engines at 23,000 feet. We are screwed. Alright, we need to turn back to the airport. This is not good. Not good. I'm turning. Speed's still going down. Put the flaps down, it extends lift. It's very flap warning. Anyway, we're levering out. Levering out automatically, don't need to do anything. I'm trying not to descend too much. Is there anywhere to land? I'm just gonna keep turning until I see an airport. I'm gonna make sure that we've got a warning. Oh, that's oxygen. I think that's oxygen. Yeah, that must be an oxygen warning. Got the APU on. It's descending nicely. No airport. Airports. There, right. Right there, an airport. 2 airports. Good, we're gonna have to set this going down. But can't think too quickly. Even better, there's JFK Airport. Yes, another airport. There's a runway there. Might even have to land at an airport carrier. Not good. So guys, I am ascending quite dramatically, about 3,000 feet a second. well, 3,000 feet in a minute. So we've got about 10 minutes. We've got about 10 minutes more to do until we actually like properly land this plane, hopefully on an airport. We are descending quite rapidly, and I've noticed that. Pull out flaps too. There we go. Now we should be able to fly a bit more. Well, yes, we are very close to takeoff speed. This is very, very dangerous. I should not be doing this. Now our synchronized has gone to 1,000 feet per minute. So we can stay in the air for a long time. But we don't want to stay in the air for very long. We want to sink and sink and sink and sink and sink and sink and whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 what has just happened? Oh no, no. We're gonna die, we're gonna lose control to die. Mayday. We're going down, going down, going down. Pull up, pull up. I just lost control there. Yeah, let's use all this time to climb. I should not be doing that over. I'm just gonna carry on descending, carry on descending. Where is this stupid airport? I need to land here quickly. I'm at 15,000 feet and descending. Kids! Well, this is what happens when you're around there. I forgot to turn the APU on. I turned it on. Then a minute ago I paused it and turned it off. And now I've turned it back on again. Where is this stupid airport? Am I flying over it? Let me check on the map. I need to check. No. We haven't. Where? There we go, there we go. Stop turning. Go the other way. Go the other way. The airport's down here. Brought that I shall come from. It's down here somewhere. That must, there's it. There it is, right there, right there. There's the airport. Don't know how man. Oh, there's a runway right there. Keep descending. Sink rate. And another flag. There we go, we're sinking. We're sinking. We don't want to sink too dramatically. Because we've got to make this landing now or never. Never. Do 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 do. Oh, we're coming in. Coming in the car. 9,000 feet. 4 flaps. Oh gosh, we're in a 4 flaps. And we're in again an uncontrollable dive. Right. 4 flaps. If we really want to make this landing, we need to do some speed loss. Speed loss. Speed loss. There we go, there we go. Oh, there we go, there we go. Now we lost quite a bit of speed. And now we are descending nicely. We are 6,000 feet. May have to put down the gear. There's another runway that I don't think we're going to be able to land on. If I'll miss this one. I think I'm going to put the gear down. There we go, even though I'm not 5,000 feet still. Just for the sake of the landing. Alright, we're coming in hot. We're coming in a bit fast. Coming in a little bit too fast. Yeah, we're gonna make it to the second one. Just gonna put it into dive mode. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. There we go. There we go, we're on course now. On course. Line up the runway. On short final. Dun 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 dun.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate.
Serene. Wish me luck, everyone.
Pull up, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
I landed. Okay, it wasn't. Rest in peace, car. It wasn't the best landing, but I didn't really crash into anything other than a fence, some lampposts, and 50 million runways and cars. So, thanks for this video.